Okay, so last example before you guys go and practice. So let's see tin 2 bromide. So first I have to find tin in the periodic table. Tin is right here. We've already found that before. And let's find bromide while we're at it. Bromide is right here. Okay, so what's cool about when you have the name first is that the Roman numeral, whoops, sorry, that was really bad. Let me erase that. The Roman numeral automatically gives you the charge of the metal. And I know that tin is my metal, the first one there. So tin, Sn, is going to have a charge of 2 positive. Boom. Now bromide is in this group right here. I know that this group has a -1 charge. So bromide is going to have a -1 charge. Bromide has a -1 charge, or just a negative. Okay, so now I have to somehow make these two atoms balanced out. And I know that I have a charge of 2 positive here and -1. So if I were to add another bromine atom with another charge of -1, the total charge of this atom would be 2 positive, and the total charge of these two atoms will be 2 negative. And 2 positive, 2 negative will cancel out to 0. So I know that I only need one tin atom and 2 bromide atoms. So my final answer is going to be, whoops, Sn, Sn, 1 of tin, and 2 bromides, Br2. So that is the formula for tin 2 bromide. Then I have to write the actual name. So P has, oh wait, no, it's not P, it's PB, sorry. PB is lead, and I can see lead is right over here somewhere. Let's see if you find it for me. Ah, found it. PB is right here. So PB is right here, and it is blank, so it is a transition metal. So it has some charge, and I need to find that charge. I can find that charge because I can find iodine is right here. I know that iodine is going to have a -1 charge because it is in this group right here, and this group right here has a -1 charge. So I has a -1 charge, and I know that this has to be balanced out, and they say that I have 2 iodide atoms. So my total charges for I is -2. I know that this compound has to cancel out my charges equal to 0. So the only possible charge that I can have for PB is a +2. A +2 will cancel out with a -2. So PB has to be +2. So how do I write that? Easy peasy. I just gotta go right here and say lead, charge of 2, which is what we found, iodide. And that is how you solve when you are given a name and then when you are given the actual formula.